Hi Johnny, and hi everybody that sees this video. My name is Juan Pablo Gutierrez. I'm here to talk about the garbage in Bogota. Basically, the garbage in Bogota is a huge problem for every citizen in Bogota, and I want to tell you why you should be worried about it, or at least should be aware of this problematic. So right now, all the garbage of the city is almacenated in Doña Juana landfill. As you can see in your screen, Doña Juana landfill is this. This is a picture of this place. So the problem of this is that Doña Juana landfill is going to be full of garbage. It could be at the top of its capability of garbage around 35 years. And if you think about that number, it's a really short time, because 35 years it's nothing if you think in the life of a city, or the time that a city is alive. So when after that 35 years, when Doña Juana landfill gets full, the city will not have options to throw the garbage. So what is going to happen? It's going to be a lot of contaminations in the surroundings of Bogota, the rivers and the green areas, and also the city is going to become the new landfill, and that's something that no one that lives in Bogota wants. So what we can do about it, or what is a possible solution? Because right now the politicians and the government doesn't have a strategy or a plan to solve this. So what I propose, and what I think is a really good solution, is the circular economy. The circular economy is something really easy to understand. So it starts with the production of a product. When a product is fabricated, after that, the next step of the life of the product is the distribution. When people buy it, where it goes, the distribution, you get it. After that is the consumption. That is basically when the material is going to do whatever it was supposed to do. So it's going to, if it is a pencil, it's going to write something, And after that, what is happening here is that the product just throw it away and go to Doña Juana landfill. What I propose is to reuse, repair, or recycle that material, that product, in order to reintegrate it to our society. So in that ideas, the amount of garbage produced per day in the city is going to low, because right now the city produces around 10,000 tonnages per day, which is an insane amount of garbage. So this type of circular economy can really help to this problematic. Okay, this is basically what it is. Some simple, but it's hard to. It's gonna take a lot of time in order to apply the solution. So what we can do in order to earn enough time in order that the city get prepared to apply the circular economy, basically, is recycle. Recycle is something that every person can do. Just when you are going to throw something in the garbage, just read what the container said, in order to know where do you throw. Just read if it's plastic, go to the blue one. If paper, to the gray. It's something really easy, and if we have that in mind, it can really helps a lot. Another thing that we can do, that we all of us can do in in our homes is basically use different color bags. Use the white bags to recycle materials, and the black ones to organic materials, or materials that just are really that are wet or that are damaged and can't be recycled. So do that easily separation is really useful. And if you can add extra bags of different colors, it will be perfect. But just do the white and black bag will be perfect to help to this. I know this sounds really cliche, recycle, blah blah blah, but if every single person do this silly stuff, it can really change something, can really reduce the amount of garbage that is produced, and it will give us enough time in order to apply the circular economy. So what I want to say with this talk and with this video is to encourage you to recycle and do whatever you want to in order to help to this problematic. It's something easy and that everyone can do, so we can make a change. That's basically my message. And thank you for listening, Johnny, and thank you for everybody. Bye. Good night.